What if I told you that in just minutes, you can now create AI photo ads and AI UGC ads? And the best thing is, these ads actually drive results. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. So buckle up, grab a notepad and a pen, and let's dive right in. If you don't know me yet, my name is Catchy. I'm the owner and founder of Boost Ecom Ads, a creative agency where we help e-commerce stores scale up through high converting ads. And I'm gonna share with you exactly what we do with our clients that have reached 6 figures and beyond a month. If you're running meta ads, this will help you save so much time and money and will allow you to test a lot of different creative angles. All right, so we're gonna go to ChatGPT, our one and only best friend, and we're gonna write a prompt as if we are talking directly to a photographer. We're gonna debrief it and be as detailed as possible. You can go as far as putting the logo or the bottle that you want into the ChatGPT, so it can also make sure it's holding that bottle. So let's take a look at what that gives us. Look at this is pretty amazing. We have a soft green background, a beautiful woman holding serum. Truth be told, ChatGPT will give us endless possibilities. You can even drop in one of your photos and tell it to create you 10 variations and then test those 10 variations, and that will go absolutely crazy. This is something that we're doing internally with our clients. Whenever we see a marketing angle that's working and we just want to test variables, so reach ad fatigue, what we do is we drop it in ChatGPT and we tell it to give us 10 variations. Now listen, I'm not saying AI will do everything for you. AI is such a big tool and is going in absolutely crazy ways, but you still need that creativity aspect into it. You still need to direct it. You still need to have the eye to know what is going to work and what is not going to work. And also you still need a bit of patience, because between one photo and another, sometimes the ChatGPT will tell you to wait 7 minutes. So you need a bit of patience for this moment. So once you have that, this tool is pretty amazing. Make sure to use it. If you're not utilizing it, you will be left behind, because all the big brands out there are using it right now, and you need to get up to speed. In 2025, in my opinion, what's going to happen with the advertising world is there's going to be so much ad volume. Now, it could be good ads and it could be really bad ads for those that don't know how to use these prompts and don't know how to navigate and ask ChatGPT the right things. But the concept is there will be so much volume, because now you can create hundreds and hundreds of ads in less than 5 seconds, and you can launch all of these ads as well. So 2025, trust me, if you're not focused on publishing ads on a daily basis, you're gonna be left behind. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, Chloe, we got photo ads, but meta ads, my brand, it works very well with video ads. What about that? Well, let me show you another tool that's gonna blow your mind, and it's called Creatify. Creatify is a very amazing tool. I have the link in my description if you want to take advantage of a limited promotion, but it is really, really amazing. We use it internally as well, and I would highly recommend it. So as you can see over here, if you go to creatify.ai or click the link in the description for a promotion, you can see there's videos, avatars. I also want to show you some other little tips with Creatify, but for the moment, I want to show you how to create an AI UGC, which is pretty amazing. So how do we do that? You can go to avatars, you can click on create avatar if you want to create your own, or you can select one of the ones they already have, which are honestly pretty amazing. So you don't need it. You can see there's all sorts of ages, there's all sorts of ethnicities, locations, whatever you want, as detailed as you want it, you can go for that. And the persona. Obviously, choose a persona that actually relates to your target audience. If I'm selling a product that is for older people, guess what? I'm actually gonna go for someone that's in the older demographic age, for sure. All right, let's say I wanna go with Charles right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.
As you can see, this is pretty crazy, right? So I'm gonna click generate video with this avatar. This is AI, this is not a real person. So absolutely crazy. So generate video with AI. I can put over here the script. So right now I will say something like, welcome to this channel. Please subscribe for more. There we go. And I do mean it. So, okay. And then we're gonna press next. Over here, you can also choose the voice you want to go for. So you can see, for example, Adrian.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for
Hello and welcome. Thank you for
if you want something more British, whatever it is, or you can also do a voice clone. So the beauty about voice clones is, let's say you want to clone my own voice, then you can take this video, put it in here, and then it will take my voice, and now you're gonna have my voice in your videos, which is pretty crazy. So I'm gonna go with Adrian right here, and we're just gonna go and press next. Once you select the voice, you just go ahead and press next, and you can see it takes you to an editing platform. You can edit this, you can change up the text, you can really play around with it. You know, the sky is the limit. So let's see what this gives us.
Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe for more.
There you go. Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe for more. So this is pretty amazing. We can also change up the scene if we would like. So I'm gonna go for portrait because obviously that looks better. We can also edit the text if you wanna do one specific text or another. We also have the options to change up the text and the layout and so on. So this is pretty amazing. You can also add assets. So let's say you have a video and you want to put a video behind this young gentleman, then you can do that. And then once that is done, you can press on render, and obviously now the voice will be, I'm just gonna render the video with the Creatify. It's still gonna keep the logo because this is just a dummy account. So I just wanna show you guys the end result. Just takes a second to render. So again, we gotta be patient. I feel like in a few years, this is gonna take half a second. So I'm not even worried about that. All right, perfect, it is rendered. So let's take a look at the final outcome.
Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe for more.
This is amazing. This is amazing right there. This is amazing. So you can see how once it's rendered, the lips sync way more with the text and it looks way more professional and it works way better. Now, obviously, make sure to get your credits to not have like the Creatify logo on it so you can use it as an ad. And I can tell you guys, this right here is actually working right now. Few months back, I tried this and it wasn't working. It wasn't as effective. It didn't look as real, but the technology is evolving so fast that it's actually mind-blowing. And right now we're using this with a brand that has multiple six figures a month, and these ads are going crazy. And the funniest thing is you can literally make it say whatever you want. You can go as crazy as you want with your concept because, you know, there's no limit. Of course, we have Facebook restricting us on some terms and, you know, being ethical and everything, but still, like, you actually can let the avatar say whatever you want. And sometimes the more odd it is, the more it catches attention and the more it actually goes viral. Now, I also want to show you guys another thing that I really like about Creatify, and it's right here. Insights, winning ads. It has nothing to do with AI, but I still want to show you guys because we use this a lot. So let's say I want to look into one of my competitors and see what they are doing. And for example, right here, booking.com, or okay, no, I'm gonna repeat. All right, so that's pretty much it for the AI part. I still want to show you guys one last thing with Creatify that I really appreciate. It's the insights right here. You can see there's winning ads, there's competitor tracker, and it's absolutely amazing to understand what's actually working in the market. So how do you do this? Of course, you got to add brand, but to add a brand, you need credits. So right now I'm on a dummy account again, but basically you're able to add it with a link, very easy. Once you have that, just want to show you guys how that looks internally. So booking.com, if I click on here, you can see it will tell me what's the best landing page. It will tell me the best ads. It will tell me the selling points, the hooks, what are the top hooks, right? The ad copy, the headlines. Absolutely crazy in a matter of seconds, right? And you can see over here, we can sort by newest or longest running. And yeah, again, so obviously it's a bit limited with the free version, but the paid version is absolutely worth it. So with a matter of seconds, you will understand based on your competitor's test what is working and what's not working. So you don't have to pay to do these tests yourself. You already have the conclusion from your competitors. So, you know, using a tool like this will save you so much money and time. And the same thing with winning ads, it will allow you to look into ads in the market that are actually producing some money right now. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway and I'll send you my AI prompt sheet for free. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.